Check it out, guys. We're back at it again with another SDCC exclusive by Mattel. This year's Naboo Royal Starship. Big special thanks to Mattel for giving this free product to review. Now, let's see what they sent. So this is actually pretty interesting. So this here is a Naboo Royal Starship. Really cool chrome looking casing there. Got that little like, almost like diorama display. That's actually really interesting, as if it's actually like sitting out there. Based off episode 1, Phantom Menace. And then on the back side here, talks a little bit more about the detail and the actual movie scene itself. Now this here is 25th anniversary. Let's open it up. Alright, so you do have some screws, which I can't really open up. And then if you can see right here, you can see there is some texture, like it's actually pushed out. So this particular plane is not flat at all. In fact, it's actually like, it's coming out. So that's actually a really cool detail I didn't notice off the back. And then of course you have the nice chrome polish finish. That is absolutely cool looking. Great for a collector out there if you're particularly a fan of Star Wars, or if you just like collecting different Star Wars ships. Really cool nonetheless. Thank you, Mattel.